So today is Thursday, and we're 5 days away from getting our new kitchen in. So we still have quite a bit of prep work to do here. I've got this concrete in. I did a coat of stain and I put down some sealer this morning. And then here, if you look to the left, this is got everything jammed off to the left of this living room here. Make room for them coming in on Tuesday to do the kitchen. So I'm probably going to demo this part of the kitchen. I'm going to start on this kitchen, pulling this stuff off the wall, probably Saturday, and we'll probably go about 5 days without a dishwasher, a kitchen sink, and pull that refrigerator out and then yank all these cabinets off the wall there. So this is where the double oven is going to go as a countertop cabinetry against this wall here. So I still got to put drywall texture on this wall, finish this wall up today, get it painted. Yeah, put texture up on there, on that top there too. So, yeah. Here I'm going to pull those cabinets off the wall. This microwave cart, roll that out of there. I'm going to pull that washing machine out of there, and I think I can leave the dryer and everything, work around it. So, got a lot to do here in the next 5 days, and then 2 days to do the kitchen install. So now I'm pretty much done with the demolition of our kitchen here. New kitchen will be installed tomorrow. And then that's where the island will go. Here's all other stuff crammed the other side of the dining room. That's our dishwasher there, refrigerator. This is where that pony wall was that I took all the way to the top. So the double oven will go in that corner there. And this is where our pantry is going to go, so we got all this cleared out. Still got to pull the washer dryer out of there so I can get back to that.